Prime suspect in the murder of a 10-year-old girl identified during ID parade. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Central Kingston Police have detained a suspect in their investigation into the killing of a 10-year-old girl on Wildman Street on Thursday morning. The suspect was placed before an identification parade on Friday, where he was positively identified. The man remains in the custody of the police. He will be interviewed on Monday in the presence of his attorney. 10-year-old Jazeera was shot while she slept in her bed on Wildman Street. She reportedly passed away while being taken to the nearby Kingston Public Hospital. Our news center understands that thugs tried to firebomb the house before invading the property and opening fire, killing the young girl. Jazeera is the latest victim of an ongoing gang feud between the Darkside Gang and the Genocide Gang, who have claimed dozens of lives in 2021. Meanwhile, the Central Police have named 10 persons of interest who they believe can help in their investigation into the current gang conflict within the area.
So, because if down on south side is giving us a whole heap of problem now, Fleet Street and them places. So Kingston Central is hot. They're not going into the new year with it like this. It has to change. And the change is going to start with you working with us. You working with us. One of the greatest deterrents of crime is when the guys in the community feel that the people are fed up with them. They are no longer with them. They are afraid of that than the police. They are afraid of that more than the police. When them say, "Una no ina with them ina," so we have to take ourselves from them. That is how we have to make this thing change.
A 48-hour curfew was imposed in the Rose Garden community, more popularly known as Spoilers, starting at 6 p.m. last evening. These are the measures that are being used by the police in order to curtail the rising crime rate within the area. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.